my people of the internet, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the one true piece of advice that you might not want to hear. And that advice is that YouTube is hard and it is also a sacrifice. That's right, if you actually want to get ahead, you gotta put in 110%, because there is so many YouTube channels putting in 100%, but there's so many channels out there that you need to be the one that puts in the extra effort to get where you want to be. And like at the end of the day, we all want to make a bigger influence, a bigger impact, and really have a chance to grow our channels the best we really can. So sometimes you might need to sacrifice doing one thing you want to do for something you have to do, because you know in the long run that will be the best for your YouTube channel and for what you want to do. Personally, I have to give up playing video games and stuff that normally I love doing, and I would spend so many hours doing. Like, you don't even know how many hours I would spend playing video games and just kind of wasting time away when I could be doing something a little more productive. And to be honest, being able to work hard at whatever you're doing is where you will have an advantage. Now, it's not always going to be easy. Some days you're not going to feel motivated, but you're going to hit record and you're going to start recording a video anyways. And a lot of people are only going to see the results of what you do and think, well, he's just making videos. That can't take that much time. But when you put everything into perspective and all the time you gotta spend on social media, you gotta spend actually making videos, thumbnails, all of that other stuff, it really adds up to a lot of time. And there's definitely a lot of weeks where it becomes a full-time job. So the big thing is being willing to improve, being willing to learn, be willing to put in extra effort, and you will go a lot farther in the long run. Now, I'm not sure if you guys want to hear more ranting style videos like this in the future, but if you do, be sure to leave a like on this video. I really care about what you guys have to say, so leave a comment as well. And until next time, your friendly neighborhood bad out. Just leave a like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and bye. At the dock of the bay, wasting time. Excuse me.